So welcome to the channel. So today we are going to learn how to set up awareness and reach campaign. So awareness campaign are considered to be a top of the funnel campaign where our goal is to generate interest in our products and services and to communicate our business value. And with the help of reach campaign, we can reach the unique number of people with our messaging. So let's create brand awareness campaign. So click on create, select the objective as awareness and click on continue. Give the campaign name. So I'm giving the campaign name as summer sale. You can see here our campaign objective is awareness. So you can see here at campaign level we have an option to set up the budget, but I want more control, so I will be setting up the budget at ad set level. So go to the ad set and change the ad set name. So I will be giving the name as a brand awareness. So in a brand awareness campaign, our objective is to build the recall of our brand. So in a performance goal, select the option as maximize ad recall lip. So our goal is to build a maximum recall of our brand. So here our Facebook page is selected and select the daily budget. So I want to set up the daily budget as, let's say, 250. And in audience control, choose the location targeting. So let's say I want to target India but only cities. So I will select only include cities option. And in audience targeting, I will switch to original audience options and click on use original audience. Here I will be able to select age range. So I want to target men from 18 to 35. And I will be selecting a gender as a male, as this is a men's clothing brand. In a detailed targeting, I will be selecting the interest as a fashion and shopping. So fashion accessories. So click on a suggestion here. You will get so many suggestions: online shopping retail, clothing, English shoppers. So I have just selected the shopping interest here. Now let's go down. So at a placements, we have advantage plus placement selected, and I want to go ahead with advantage plus placement. You can also select the manual placement if you want to show ad in a particular placement. Let's say you want to only show your ad in a story and reels. So just unselect other options and just select stories and reels. So basically your ad only will be visible in a stories and reels. But I want to go with advantage plus placement, so I will be selecting this option. So once the ad set level settings are complete, just go to the ad level. So I will be giving the ad name as ad1, and our Facebook page and Instagram account is already selected. So under ad setup, there are multiple options. We have option to either use existing post or create an ad. So we will be creating an ad. So under ad format, we have three options. So I will be going ahead with a single image. So under ad creative, we have to select the image for our ad. So just click on add media and add image. Select the image and click on continue. Here you have an option to add music. So I will be enabling it. Here we have to add a primary text. So I will be adding a primary text here. So I have just added the primary text. You can have up to 5 primary text, and I will be adding a destination here. So in a headline, I will be adding headline, new arrival collections. And in a description, I will be keeping it as it is. In a call to action, I will be having a shop now option. In a website, I will be adding our website. So under the tracking section, we have to enable this checkbox by clicking here. It is basically we are selecting the pixel. So now we will be adding URL parameters. So we add URL parameters because we want to track the quality of the traffic that is coming through this particular campaign on our Google Analytics. So just click on a build a URL parameter, select the campaign source as a Facebook, medium as a CPC, campaign name as a ad set name, and campaign content as an ad name. Click on apply. So you can see here we are good to publish this campaign. So I am just closing this campaign. Just click here on a review and publish, and just publish this campaign. So our campaign got published. So we can see here our awareness summer sale campaign, and under this campaign we have brand awareness ad set. So we have just created the brand awareness ad set with the ad recall performance goal. So now I want to set up the reach campaign. So what I will be doing, I will be just duplicating this particular ad set. Select the existing campaign as a awareness summer sale and just duplicate it. So this is our reach campaign. So I will just change the name of the ad set as a reach, and I will be selecting the performance goal as a maximize reach. So the goal of the reach campaign is to reach the unique number of people with our ad. Rest of the settings I will keep the same. Just I will change the interest targeting. So now I want to target people who are interested in sports accessories. So I will be selecting some sports brands. So click on suggestions, you will get so many options here. Reebok, Under Armour. So I have just selected few sport interest, and now what I will do is, so now I will close this and publish the reach campaign. So you can see here our reach campaign got published, and under the awareness summer sale campaign we have two ad sets, one which is a brand awareness ad set and this one is a reach ad set. So this is how we set up brand awareness and reach campaign. If you find this video useful, do like, comment, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, do comment below.